How to log into Ghiblirt.ai. Want to jump into creating a stunning Ghibli style art with AI? First thing first, you gotta log into Ghibli.ai. Don't worry, it's super simple. Let's open the browser at the first. Tap on the browser that you like. Here I'm using Chrome. Now tap on the search bar and go to Ghibliart.ai. You can see the exact word on my screen. It's over here. Tap on it. Then you will see a list of results, and the first result is what we have been looking for, and this is the original one. Let's tap on the website and go inside it. After you are inside, you will see an option for sign in top right corner. It's over here. Tap on it. That will provide you with two options. One is sign in with the Google and second is sign in. Let's use the second option. Simply tap on this email over here and paste your email address and password over there. Then tap on sign in. And tada, you are successfully logged into your account. Easy peasy. Now you can explore all the awesome features and start generating your own Ghibli-inspired masterpieces. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.